Konrad Kongkal Sangma, Haka Hendriu Tarik, Benai Leber Arhajar Arpulai, Ula Perpena bagi Sorkar Senrap Lang, Kabelam na kaseng NPP, Kalayo Ekajing Kershan na kaseng BJP, HSPDP, UDP, PDF, ban ki Arngot ki MLA Klemseng. Ulitho baka kenhon MDA2 kalajit ruyu kumu chairman Banyalam ke Sorkar Senrap Lang. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bahaka kenhun menteri kepada bandan kat Arngot ki Dukot. NPP kan yo pratelik syuki kentup yu kumu menteri rangba akajela Arngut na kaseng UDP iway na ke HSPDP but iway na ke BJP kat ba kaseng PDF kan om yo menteri AA Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong baha kabedai bat kajing baha eksyuki menteri labha sautli na kebenta kinong mikmat na kerilum garo kentup eksyuki menteri rangba bat prateli na kebenta kinong mikmat jang kerilum kasi jantia Ulitho bakaseng NPP kala Shimru ya karai baha kabedai ba kajing penyang kertong na kebentak election lampang keladap banterwa ya ki kerteng bat kilapen kamti hau ban ya keren bat ki perlok kebedan lang hak MDA ban yo ekajing menjor ke kerteng u kertong ban ikonik election lampang Nakaliang working president ke PDF ubak bantai dor lengdo ulong bakaseng keladap ban shimekarai bahkan syuajeng kersha na ke sorkar bat kan omtre ban shimek syuki menteri Mereka lebo pat gi kendon baya kimat na kebenta kebit kebiang jong kejela bat kejat benreo de ban kemi. Ulong baka PDF kam syem lakwa asyuki wala ke NPP kala terwa na duk gesngi badap nyo vote. Namar kala don gejing penbet bentau ke sorkar benalam de kiseng riulum bat keseng PDF hadu ke bakut ru ka ab ban penurlong ke gejing temu. Ndrei ha baka gejing temu kam syem lapoi shno ru kumta ke PDF kala lej ajing kersyano ya keseng NPP banyalam ya ke sorkar jela.
And the first decision that was taken in the meeting was to call this alliance as the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2, as 2.0, sorry, which is the second part of the first MDA alliance. So all unanimously agreed that we should call this the MDA 2, as the partners are the same. And the second resolution we took was that we have decided to also elect the chairman as the chief minister will be the chairman of the MDA2, that is Konrad Sangma will be the chairman of that. Also we have also decided that in the cabinet out of the 12 members that are there, 8 will go to the National People's Party, 2 will go to the UDP, 1 will go to the HSPDP, and 1 will go to the BJP. So that is the format of the sharing of the portfolio, the berths, cabinet berths. And out of these 12 cabinet berths, 4 of them, including Chief Minister, will be from the Garo Hills region, and 8 of the cabinet ministers will be from the Khasi Jayantini Hills region. So this were the this decision, of course, was not taken in the MDA, but I'm just informing you about the breakup that has been worked out with all the respective partners. Also, we have passed a resolution within the party regarding the candidature for the speaker's post and the election. So the NPP has proposed name and have entrusted me to speak to the rest of the coalition partners to formalize the name, and once I have speak to the coalition partners and get their consent, we will be announcing the name of the candidate for the speaker's post.
Iway na ka HSPDP but na po ka BJP Hendriu PDF IEA pisong kumlo ka niya
mengi nakaliang jong ngila dia penbaik bat parti menen nakaliang jong wa given ngidon lang ngila rai bangin shimir kam minister ringin don lang government wat support hababun ki issue ki kendon ki bangila bu nakabenta kapit kabiang jonga state ke jongi bat jongka chat bendri ke jongi katai ndai ka pemantang ngila dapkan syahi ba nakaliang jongi wa ban shimir ka kabinet bot nomor ngidon sibun ki ke bangi kwa ban ra apo ka assembly ya kanika dam ko pemantang
let's say kani kajing bomyo jong pi ka suki kala bandai na kajing bomwan kloy ban support ya ka NPP hakapor ka babian slam kan
ladangi dai bangi kwa suki nadu ka sengi masendap benar-benar result ha tu hi kala ladai magila phone yang nakaliang ke NPP nakaliang chief minister handring ngim kwa nama bali ba kata ka jing pen baik kata ka jing shong bangi kwa ya taka government ka baong gini alam daka regional dai na taka daw ngi up but hadu ka bakot ru ngi up ya katai ban ya pen baik lang para regional ten ring suthu ba kampoi sino ngiwan ban support namang suthu naman taka jing don kam ki bobon ko ka state ki issue ki bobon ki bangi la pen baik kat kum ka manifesto ka jongi dai na taka daw ngi rai ba ngi nom tre ayu ka shuki minister ru ngi up shwa manta handai ya ka pemantah ngin trei bat ngin kran kamtam hai bede po assembly na wanta ki bobon ki issue ki ba PE ki ba long ki ba man po ka state ka jong